dropped it. Ain't no way you're real.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're just gonna be running from these lava monkeys. I'm trying to be last. Okay, I'm last.
I said your balls haven't dropped. Are you deaf?
Bro, what are they up to? I'm gonna go over there, left Lucio, hit off there, make my way back to Lucio. Oh, and then somehow make my way back to here, to the stump I'm at. Then we'll run back to Lucio. So, hey, stop.
Try it out. Try it out. Like this. Green guy. Green leaf costume. Report gorilla.
Alright.
He just did a glitch. Yo, he just did a glitch. He just tried to do. This man said he's 20 when his balls out. He just tried to do a glitch. Report him. Report him. Do you even know what Zesty is?
Report him. Yes, gay.
No, it doesn't, idiot. I know. Report this man. Hey, no. Report Gorilla 3005. Hey, buddy.
This kid's actually fast.
You
just not you.
Point
You just got banned from Gorilla. Hey, you. You just got banned from Gorilla Tag. He calling me Zesty when he's moaning. No, you're about to get banned and you're gonna get banned tomorrow. He's a hypocrite. Call into our server.
How's he gonna get banned? He just got reported. That don't mean he's getting banned.
This little man is a hypocrite. Stop. No. Trust, guys. Don't say anything. You're gonna get banned tomorrow, bro. You didn't realize that, right?
I bet you I'm gonna be on here like tomorrow.
I bet you. You know what's crazy though? You a hypocrite.
Dang it, man.
Real.
You know what's crazy though?
What's crazy
I think your booty got you.
Bro, he's so Zesty. He's weird, bro. He calls me Zesty, then he moans and calls me an African booty scratcher. Wait, that's racist. Wait, that's racist. That's what he called me. Racist. He's a racist. I'm a racist. No, not you. Him. Not him. He's a racist. You can't say that.
You a racist.
He's also a... How? He's calling me an African booty scratcher.
Yeah, look.
Alright.
You just got reported again, bro. I mean, you do realize if you get 3 reports, you get banned. Not instantly, but in a few hours. That man just called me an African booty scratcher. I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, that's what you did.
What? You're not tough, bro.
What's up there? Come on. What's up there? Fight me.
Hey, bro.
I'll beat your ass.
What's up? Bro, I got stuck. I got stuck with silver. So, gang.
Exactly.
Oh.
Hey, do you know me?
Yeah, the ground.
Hey.
Purple gang. Yo, run.
Get purple.
Yo, up.
Run. What? Jesus curse? Nah, don't say a potty word, mister. That's way too far.
Shut your book ass up.
He just called me a potty word. I'm gonna cry in my room, dude. What? I'm telling you, oh, you can't hear.
Yeah, bro.
I can hear you. I'm telling your mom on you.
Mom died. Don't yell at me.
I'm not stupid. I'm actually very intelligent. Check my mic. You can't hear us.
How is this gorilla?
Yeah, bro, I'm having to try
Flying.
Bro.
Nobody is lying. It's just called being quacked. Are you sorry?
Purple gang, where you at?
You call me an African booty scratcher.
Is that the real thing? No, I'm joking. Yeah, bro, it's the real thing. Totally dead. Yo, bro, I got that patch too.
That man called me an African booty scratcher. Shut up. No, you... What? Yeah, no shit. He called me. Nah. He's like 6 years old. And he said he's 20.
I'm sorry, what?
Are you gonna
You can't be on the game.
Juked.
Oh, purple.
Juked again.
I'm coming for you. I'm coming to come tickle your... Guys, I don't know.
Yeah, bro, I'm running.
Your toes.
Come on, buddy.
Yo, he's flipping me off in Gorilla Tag. I'm gonna cry.
You
He's
know
hurting
what
my
you should do
feelings.
back to him?
He called me an African booty scratcher. I'm gonna flip him off.
Parties.
No, I'm being serious. He called me an African booty
Bro.
scratcher.
Parties with the boys be
Hey,
like,
GG's, bro. You're actually pretty good. Oh, GG.
parties really good.
You're still pretty good.
What do you mean he's pretty
Kinda
good?
hot.
This guy's
African.
deaf. He's deaf. He's deaf. Oh, guys, stop teasing him. That's why.
Yo, yo.
I have
Purple
your
gang,
pizza.
purple gang.
He's deaf.
Hey. God damn it.
Good job, bro. Stupid ass. Not allowed. That guy. Oh, never mind. He might be.
Hey, you flip people off like this. I hope you know that. You're not doing that. Yo, get your nasty ass sausage fingers out of my nose hole, bro.
I hate this man.
Butt crack.
I don't
Why
hate
are-
him, but he's like sweaty.
Yeah, I actually am.
Putting the sausage fingers
Top
out
hat.
of his asshole in my fucking
Yo, do you want me to wear a top hat?
No, stop doing that. I could buy headphones. I said GG. I did not start laughing. I got you.
Yo, bro, do you want me to wear the top hat? Want me to wear a top hat?
Maybe make some new friends.
I want to see if the
I got a little kid flipping me off in Gorilla Tag.
It don't. I tried. Cause I can actually hit it.
Holy crap, dude.
Nah, bro, that doesn't work.
I watch.
Bro, let bro cook.
Dang, that man's good. I ain't that
Bro,
good.
let him cook.
Yo,
I'm decent,
yo,
but not that good.
yo, Orange. Don't make me
Bro,
come
I'm
for you.
mad trash.
Yeah, he's way better than me. Yo, top hat. I gotta go, bro. Yo, top hat with the mouse,
Buy headphones.
with the mouth thing. Wait, why is there so
Bro,
many top hats?
Flushy GT be like, if
Yo.
you wear this, bro, Flushy
Oh, it's
GT
you.
be like, if you wear the top hat, you're either trying to act cool or you're just really bad at the game and rude. Bro, what are those top hats do?
Alright, how about this? How about
Shut
this? How
up,
about this?
Flushy GT.
How about this? Tag both of these top hats. Tag both top hats. And y'all come try to tag me.
Dude, this
And y'all come try to tag me. Come try to tag me. No, tag him first. Tag him first.
Nah. No.
You called me an African
Boy,
booty scratcher.
gratitude.
I'm not gonna give you a high five.
African booty scratcher.
I'm not gonna give you a high five. You called me an African booty scratcher.
Bro,
Oing, oing, oing.
I'm gonna laugh too
He
hard
called me
to
an
where I
African
can
booty
laugh in
scratcher.
real life.
Hey, on his head.
On his head.
Yo,
Over Bull's head.
him. No, bro, I went over your head. Yo, bro,
Are you okay, bro? Bro, change it to a band.
I didn't realize you were there.
Bro said quit crying. Bro's turned into a whole man.
And then I messed up.
Want me to come back? I'm right here.
Wow, really? Tree can't be.
Those are not-
Bro, you know how good I am.
I told you I'm not gonna give you a high five.
You're gay. Bro, can you get off walls?
6 feet.
You really want me to get off walls?
6 feet.
I'm trying to help y'all.
Back.
Alright.
This man has COVID and he's trying to touch me.
Top hat. Top hat. I'm on ground. Top hat. Top hat. I'm on ground.
I don't want to.
I'm on ground.
I wasn't ever going for you.
No, not you. Not you. I'm on ground. Come on. Come on.
This is my beautiful home.
Boing, boing,
Oh, I'm
boing.
new to the game. I started 4 months ago. Please. How do you know this content?
You, I started running around like the third day of the game.
Yo, how do you guys get that?
Boing.
You don't even have to learn
What's good,
how
chat?
to finish them. You just
What's good, chat? W.
Let me get him.
He got me.
You're
actually pretty good. I like your skills though. Yo, all top hats are trash. All top hats are trash. All top hats are. Oh yeah. Oh, for.
Yeah, you messed with the wrong Colt.
Alright. No. Pink hat. Let me get him.
Him.
Pink hat. Let me get him. Pink hat. Oh yeah, top hats are bad. Top hats are bad.
Hey, bro, you ain't pointing up the
So
middle.
easy.
He's not even pointing up the middle finger. He's pointing up the wrong hand.
Oh yeah.
He's pointing up the wrong fingers.
You love me. You
Oh.
wanna love me like that. I'm dead.
Oh, frick, I missed you, bro.
Someone tell me when I hit the ground.
What's goody?
What's goody, bro?
When I hit the ground,
Alright.
I'm getting no game. Oh,
No, you haven't hit the ground yet. You're still in the air.
Leave this
Now you're in the ground.
Okay.
Want me to teach you how to play?
I just want to know how to move.
Okay, look.
Hey,
Hit
bro, you
one
just
hand at a
gotta
time.
move. No, bro.
You don't want to hit straight up. You wanna?
Run in
Don't
real
run.
life.
Don't listen to him. He's lying. Yeah, like this.
Yeah, I've seen
Then look,
like
flick.
a YouTuber call that.
Then like,
Someone reported him and he left.
No, bro. Run in real life.
wait.
I'll show you how to
Bro.
I don't believe you.
Look. All you gotta do is say. All you gotta do is say.
Look.
Wait, bro, stop. Bro's actually moving. Okay. Okay, listen. All you have to say. All you have to do is say "slay girl," and you'll be able to. Slay girl.
Bro, guys, come to this stump.
It works.
I gotta show you
Slay
something.
girl.
Guys, come
See,
to
see?
this stump. There's something really funny I gotta show you. Guys, come to the stump. I got something funny to show you.
I don't believe that guy.
Bro, literally every kid when they first joined the game.
Party hat. Bro, guess what? POV YouTubers, I'm avenging the top hats.
Bro, no. People say that I'm copying
get that guy.
Eric when I'm not.
Wait, can someone teach me how to play? I'm not a guy.
People say I'm copying off Eric's outfit, but first of all, my color
Wait,
code's not
Who
gray.
could teach me
And
how to
second of
play?
all, the only cosmetics
Oh,
I
the
actually
side
have are these cosmetics.
Alright, I'm leaving this
my,
match.
my
So
controller.
like, it's not really copying.
Who could teach me how to play?
Ooh.
No one cares. You're not a Sigma, little bro.
Yo, I'm a Sigma, bro. And guess what? Now I'm gonna tickle
Bro
you.
think he a Sigma listening to music on
Brother,
Gorilla.
y'all break up, brother.
Bro think he a Sigma listening to music while playing Gorilla. Brother, it's not
Come on,
serious.
buddy. Come on.
Hey, like brother,
I am the
Brother,
only
why'd you do that,
headphones.
brother?
I am the
Brother,
only
why'd you
headphones,
do
buddy.
that?
Go take the badge off and the
Brother.
headphones.
Brother,
Nah,
why'd
bruh.
you do that, brother? Brother!
Oh. Yo, brother. Headphones. Headphones, meet me at Lucio Wall. Headphones, meet me at Lucio Wall.
Brother,
Headphones, meet me at Lucio Wall.
Everybody report green. Not the tree green. The other green. There's two green.
Headphones, can you meet me at,
What's your name, bro?
headphones, meet me at,
I saw a second green, bro. Where'd he go? He was just flying.
yo, headphones, meet me at, Lucio Wall.
I saw that green earlier too. I think I
Okay,
know
good.
what color he is.
It's not that one. It's not whichever that one is. That one's
Headphones, can you meet me at Lucio Wall?
But I was changing my song.
Where'd he go?
Headphones, behind you. Come here.
He was beside me earlier.
Brother.
Alright, come here.
Brother,
So we have to compete to claim the headphones and the badge. See? I have the badge on. Alright, let me see your walls, buddy.
No,
All top hats are trash.
Brother, what just happened? You come after me, you racist.
No, please.
You come after me, you racist.
He fell.
Alright, brother.
Brother, what is that on your back, brother?
I just hear
Alright, bye guys, this is the end of the video.
Brother.